This is Rich Lavens of Eurotherm by Watlow, and was asked recently how to auto-tune an EPC3000 series. The EPC3000 series comes in a 16th DIN, an 8th DIN, and a quarter DIN sized instrument. The auto-tune procedure is exactly the same on all of them. And I have here in front of me an EPC3004, which is the quarter DIN instrument. So what we have here are the buttons. So we call this the page key. This is the scroll or enter. And then the down and up buttons make parameter changes. We also have a couple of function keys that you can assign different functions to. So by default, this is our controller. Set point on the bottom, process value on the top. To see other parameters, which is in level 1, you hit the enter key. So we get working output, remote local, and you can toggle through this series, and eventually you come back to the home screen here, but you don't see the auto-tune parameter. So by default, we put that behind level 2 because typically you don't want an operator messing with it, potentially performing an auto-tune in the middle of a critical process. So to get into level 2, hold your page key down. See level 1, up arrow to level 2, hit enter, and then the code are 3 zeros, and then the number 2. Unless somebody's changed it after the fact, these are defaults. So it goes to level 2, you come up with the exact same screen, but now if you hit the enter key, toggle it, you'll see a lot more parameters, one of them being tune. So you can see the tune is off. I can turn it on or off with the up-down keys, so we're going to turn that on. It flashes, so it's accepted the change. Now if I come back to our home screen, you'll see a scrolling message that says Auto-Tune active. What this will do is it will go through a series of calling for full heat and full cool if you have cool assigned. So it'll call for full heat. You'll see the output go to 100% on. It'll see how fast it picks up temperature over a given period of time, and then it'll either shut the heat off, or if you have cooling enabled, it'll call for full cooling. So it'll do that process upset 3 times, and at the end the auto-tune will automatically shut off. And if you come back in to look at your PID parameters, you will see they've all changed, and the process should be running successfully at that point. That's really it. So again, just as a matter of caution, what I usually do, I don't have anything hooked to this, so it's actually not going to auto-tune. But what I would normally do is once the auto-tune is done, hit my page key, hold it down, go back to level 1. That way, nobody can accidentally get into those additional parameters and turn the auto-tune on. Alternatively, you could promote the function key 1 or 2 to start the auto-tune procedure. I would caution you against that because, again, it can cause some trouble. Or you can also promote the auto-tune parameter to level 1 so it's there all the time. So the EPC series is pretty flexible about how you can hide and or promote different parameters. Anyway, I hope you find this helpful, but drop us an email or give us a call and let us know. Thank you so much. Bye.